In this RenalGenie tutorial, we are going to learn about new features of patient transfer, in specific temporary transfer. But before that, do not forget to visit and like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Before we further deep dive into the steps, ensure that your RenalGenie roles has the access to the Administration tab. Reach out to your system tenant or our product team if you need any help. To initiate patient transfer, click on the patient card. On the patient transfer page, user will be able to see two available tabs, outgoing and incoming. Outgoing is for the patients that is transferring out from the current center, while incoming is for the patients that is transferring into the current center. Now, let's initiate a temporary patient transfer from the current center to another. On the Outgoing tab, click on the plus icon and the system will prompt the Initiate Patient Transfer window. On this window, proceed with selecting the patient name, transfer type and also the destination branch. Then, click Initiate Transfer. Once confirmed, system will prompt a message that patient transfer has been initiated. And user are able to see that the patient name has been added to the list in pending status. Now, before we jump over the other branch and go through the approval steps, let's see what has changed for this patient within the current branch. Jump over to the patient overview page and user are able to see that a new filter chip has been added, transferring. Any patient included in the transfer process will be updated to transferring status. Click on the patient name to access patient profile. User are able to see the alert that this patient is in progress to be temporarily transferred to another center at the top of the patient profile. Patient status has also been updated to transferring patient accordingly. Not only that, when a patient is in transferring status, editing or updating patient profile is no longer possible. For example, on the HD prescription page, the button for adding a new HD prescription or change prescription has been disabled. Next, let us jump over to the other branch to see the steps to approve patient transfer. When there is a pending transfer, user are able to see the red notification next to Administration. This is to notify the user of the incoming transfer, as well as a call for action to approve or reject the transfer accordingly. To proceed, click on the Administration, then Patient Transfer. Go to the Incoming tab. On this tab, user are able to see the details of the incoming patient. User are also able to proceed with approving or rejecting this transfer. To approve, click Approve and system will prompt confirmation window, click Approve again. Or to reject, click on Reject. Similarly, system will prompt confirmation window, click Reject once again. Now, let us quickly approve and reject patient transfers. Upon successful approval and rejection of the transfers, user are able to see that the patient status on the Incoming tab has been updated to approved and rejected accordingly. Good job! We have now successfully approved and rejected patient transfers. Upon a successful patient temporary transfer, system will automatically update the patient status in the original branch to temporary transferred patients. While, at the new center, the same patient is registered as a visiting patient. Thank you for watching. Watch more tutorial videos on our YouTube channel and be a Genie champion.